Hello viewers, this is Mr. Banda, Mathematics Made Easy. So in today's lesson we are looking at calculus, and this particular topic is coming from Cambridge Igcse Additional Mathematics 0606. And we have a question here coming from 2023 paper 2, question paper number 3 of this particular year and May June intake of this year. So we have question 7, which reads as I quote, differentiate ln. 7a is saying differentiate natural logarithm of x cubed plus 3x squared with respect to x, simplifying the answer. And the second part is saying hence find the integral of x plus 2 over x times x plus 3 in brackets with respect to x. Now when you see this particular series of questions, you must know that what you're going to get in the first part of your question will help you to get the second to get or to answer the second part of the question. That's why here we have the hence find this, meaning the derivative that we'll get here, we'll use it to integrate in this particular function. Now, note that when you are given a function, natural logarithm of f of x, then the derivative with respect to x of this function is given by the derivative of the function inside function of x, f of x. So the inside function of this natural logarithm, you differentiate it, then you divide by this particular function. Now in this case, what we have is ln of x cubed plus 3x squared, meaning our f of x here is x cubed plus 3x squared. Okay, so we have to just find the derivative of f of x with respect to x, which will be 3x squared plus, when you're differentiating term by term, this is power 3, so you drop the exponent or the power, then reduce the power by 1. Then even here you drop the power, which is power 2, so you have 3 times the power that has dropped, you have 6, then x power 1, because you have 2 minus 1. So this is what f prime of x is. Therefore, you can conclude that the derivative with respect to x of ln of x cubed plus 3x squared is going to be equal to, what is the derivative of f of x, the inside function of this natural logarithm? The derivative is 3x squared plus 6x over, what is the function, the inside function? The inside function is x cubed plus 3x squared. And the question is saying simplifying the answer. This answer is unsimplified. Let us now simplify it. So that will be equal to, you can factorize the numerator and denominator. When you factorize the numerator, you have 3x being common, and what will remain there is x plus 2 over, here what is common? X squared is common, or you can say x is common. X squared is common. What will remain is x plus 3. Alright, this x can divide one of the x's that we have here. So x can divide x squared x times. So this is going to give us 3 times x plus 2 over x times x plus 3. So that's what the derivative of ln, or natural logarithm of x cubed plus 3x squared is. Okay, so the answer to the first part of the question is here. Alright, now let us look at the second part of the question, which says hence find the integral of x plus 2 over x, open brackets, x plus 3, close brackets, with respect to x. What do you get there? So for B, we want to get the integral of x plus 2 over x, open brackets, x plus 3 with respect to x. Now, you understand that integration is also called differentiation because it's actually the opposite process of differentiation. Now, if we integrated this function and if we differentiated this function and got 3x plus 2 over x, open brackets, x plus 3, when you integrate this one, you must get the function itself that we had, which is the natural logarithm. Now, when you look at what we got after differentiating and what we are asked to integrate here, these two are similar, only that this one is a product of this one is a product of this one and 3. Okay, when you multiply 3 and this one, you will get the derivative that we have. Now, what is the integral of this? We know very well that the integral of this one is going to give us this. So the integral of the derivative of natural logarithm of this given function will give us the function itself. So what I'm saying is the integral of 3x plus 2 over x plus 3 with respect to x is going to give us the function natural logarithm of x cubed plus 3x squared. Okay, I'm sure this you agree. So this is going to give us that one. But when you look at this function, there's a relationship between this function and the integral we are asked to find. The relationship is that this function is this one times 3. So, meaning if I factor out the constant 3 here, I'll have 3, the integral by one of the properties and rules of integration. When you have a constant times a function, you can factor out the constant and integrate the function. So you have 3 outside, then you have x plus 2 over x plus 3. This 3, which is a constant, can come outside. Then with respect to x, this is what is giving us ln of x cubed plus 3x squared, okay, plus the constant of integration called a c. Now, this I have here is what is being asked to integrate. Don't you think that if we divide or multiply by the multiplicative inverse of 3, which is 1 over 3 both sides, even there, multiply this by 1 over 3, then this 3 and this 3 will divide each other, and we just remain with what we are exactly asked to integrate. The integral of x plus 2 over x times x plus 3 with respect to x is going to be equal to 1 over 3 ln of x cubed plus 3x squared plus c. So hence that will be the integral of this particular given function. Thank you so much. This comes to the end of our lesson. I hope you enjoyed and learned one or two. God bless you, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever we upload a video based on this particular beautiful concept and a subject or course of mathematics, you can be notified. Thank you so much, and God bless you once more.